about duplication formula, you can go through in the books, you can find the proof. It's very easy if you understand the relation beta and gamma function, and then just the conversion. Next things, how we solve the function. Just if some problems, there are many different kinds of problems. Now we discuss some problems, not all problems, every one type. So some on beta integral, some of trigonometrical function, some of relation between beta and gamma. I will discuss some problems. Beta of mn is equal to under root of pi 2 to the power 2m minus 1 n upon n plus 1 by 2. See, this part is little bit similar to duplication formula. So we keep in mind this problem based in the duplication formula. So what we should write? First we write relation between beta and gamma function, but when we use duplication formula, we use only one parameter, either n or m. So if we write beta of n comma n, so gamma n upon gamma n plus n, 2n. Clear? Gamma m means at the place m we substitute n here. So this will becomes this. Now what is our duplication formula? Duplication formula gives gamma of 2m is equal to gamma n plus 1 by 2 upon root pi 2 to the power 2m minus 1. See, so at this place 2n we replace this part. Okay, so beta of m is equal to n upon 2m means we put n. So what is this? Gamma n plus 1 by 2 upon root pi means root pi goes up into 2 to the power 2n minus of 1. 2n minus of 1. Clear? Now see, gamma is cancelled. N upon n plus 1 by 2. Gamma root pi upon 2 to the power. This is 2n. 2n minus means what we need, that results come just in 2 steps. You use beta in nn and then use the duplication formula. So there are many different kinds of integral we can solve. Now we go for some integral problems. How we discuss integral problem with beta and gamma function. So question 0 to 1 x cube 1 minus under root of x to the power 5 dx. So if we know our integral of beta mn is what? 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. Compare both. So when we compare x to the power, okay, there we need x, not root x. So substitute this root x, put root x is equal to t, means x is equal to t square, then dx is equal to 2t dt. Substitute here, when x is equal to 0, t is equal to also 0. When x is equal to 1, t is also 1. So limit doesn't change. This gives xt square to the power 3 1 minus t to the power 5 2t dt. So our 0 to 1, when we combine all the 2 comes outside, t to the power 3 to the 6 plus 1 7. So it gives t to the power 7. 7 means 6 8 minus of 1 minus t to the power x to the power 5. 5 is 6 minus 1 dt. So our this gives beta of m is 8, n is 6. So this gives 2 times beta of 8 comma 6. Again beta 8 comma 6 we rewrite in gamma form. So gamma m gamma n upon gamma of 8 plus 6. You just simplify it, you will get the required solution. Next, if one more, x square upon under root of 1 minus x4 dx. Again our beta integral is this xx. This is 1 minus x to the power minus 1. x4 we need x. So what we do? Yes, put x4 is equal to t. When you substitute x4 is equal to t, your integral reduce in beta form. Clear? So this is integral how we reduce. You compare with beta function and then you solve. Now we discuss some problems on trigonometrical form. So I go 2 pi by 4 cos 3 2 theta sine 4 theta d theta. Okay, so this integral we can solve with beta function. So there is c 2 theta 4 theta. So first we have to convert into theta form. So first this is 2 theta. So we know sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So sine 4 theta is equal to 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta. First conversion is cos cube 2 theta is 2 sine 2 theta cos of 2 theta whole to the power 4 d theta. So now our whole integral in 2 theta. So we can simplify 2 theta replace with t. So now this goes 0 to pi by 4 cos 3 of 2 theta. Here cos 2 theta 4. So 3 plus 4 7. I will write cos 7 of 2 theta. Then this 2 to the power 4 goes outside. Okay, so 2 to the power 4 goes outside. Then sine of 4 2 theta d theta. Again substitute 2 theta is equal to t. Then d theta is equal to dt by 2. Same, if theta is t by 2, then when theta goes to 0, t is equal to 0. When theta is equal to pi by 4, then t is pi by 2. Yes. So when theta is equal to pi by 4, theta is equal to pi by 4, t is pi by 4. See 2 to 2 cancel. So pi by 2. So now our integral becomes pi by 2 our integral becomes cos of 70 sine of 4t dt by 2 and 1 2 to the power 4 outside. So our integral becomes 2 to the power 4 0 to pi by 2 sine of 4t cos of 7t dt, and this 2 comes outside. Clear? So what it gives the result? What it gives the result? Yes, this is m beta of p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. So this gives 2 by 4 upon 2 beta of p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2 upon 2. Either we use this 2 here. So this is 2 to the power 2 is 4 beta of 7 plus 1 8 by 2 means beta of 4 and 5 by 2. So just solve with beta this gamma n upon gamma n plus n, we will get the final solution. Okay, so how we solve this? Very easily, just convert into theta, cos theta and sin theta, and then solve it. Some more example means there are so many questions. If you go through it, you can easily solve these equations. Next, I will discuss one example on hyperbolic function or exponential. If 0 to infinity sec hyperbolic 6 dx, sec theta, sec hyperbolic theta or sec hyperbolic x. So we know cos hyperbolic x is equal to e to the power x, cos hyperbolic x is equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x by 2. So we replace this 0 to 2, 2 e to the power x plus e to the power minus x to the power 6, 6 dx. Clear? So our integral becomes this in exponential form. So we don't need this integral in terms of 1. So what we can do, we multiply this with e to the power x in numerator and denominator. So it gives 2 to the power 6 outside, e to the power x, okay, e to the power 6 because 6 is here. So e to the power 6x, it goes inside, e to the power 2x plus 1 to the power 6 dx. Okay, now very simple, put e to the power 2x is equal to t. So it goes, when we put e to the power 2x is equal to t, it convert into beta function as improper integral. So when we put, our integrals becomes, limit is also changing, limit is going from 0 to infinity. When we substitute 2 to the power 5 t to the power 3 because e to the power 2x. So 6x is equal to t to the power 3, t plus 1 to the power 6 d t upon 2t. Okay, so it gives t to the power, if we remove this 3, t to the power 3 minus 1, this 2 comes here, 2 to the power 4 and t to the power t plus 1 to the power 6. And what is our beta as improper integral? Beta mn is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power m minus 1, 1 plus x to the power m plus n dx. Compare this, m is our 3. So this 6 is 3 plus 3. We write 3 plus 3. So this gives 2 to the power 4. When we compare, this gives 2 to the power 4 constant outside. This gives beta of m is 3, n is 3. So beta of 3 comma 3. Beta of 3, 2 to the power 4. Beta of 3 is gamma n upon gamma n plus n. Again, you have to simplify it. Gamma n is equal to 2 factorial means 2 upon 6 means 5 factorial means 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 cut from here. Then 4 means 2 and 1. 2 to the power 3. Then 5 3s are 15, 8 by 15. So answer is 8 by 15 of this given. So this is one example for beta and improper integral. So there are so many examples. If you want to solve many questions, many integral, we can easily solve these equations with the help of beta and gamma function. If you remember all the forms of beta, all the integral forms of beta and gamma, relation between beta gamma, some duplication formula. So that's all for beta function. So you can make practice and be perfect in these special functions. Thank you very much.